Welcome back to our video series on the post-production operations that we offer here at Crescent Industries. We will be briefly recapping the entire series in this part 3 video, but if you did miss part 1 and 2, then be sure to view both of those videos on our website under the Capabilities tab. In part 1, we looked at several part decoration methods, then in part 2, we discussed different bonding techniques, and in this third and final video, we will be discussing post-machining operations. Post-machining involves the use of custom fixtures that we make in-house here at Crescent in combination with precise CNC milling machines that allow us to dial in each injection molded part and meet even higher, more precise part tolerances if necessary for your injection molded application. By clamping parts into these custom fixtures and writing CNC programs, we're able to precisely mill gates, add threading, and incorporate a number of features that may not have been cost-effective to integrate into the tool design due to lower production quantities. Outside of these post-machining operations, we offer a number of product-specific services in an effort to meet all of our customers' needs and are continuously adding new post-processing operations. Again, if you did miss part 1 and 2 of this 3-part series, then be sure to check out both of those videos on our website, and if you have any questions at all, or if you'd like to learn more about the value that Crescent Industries can add to your injection molding application, then be sure to reach out to us at 717-219-4392. Thanks for following with us throughout our post-processing series, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.